Hello kids. For reading today, I'm going to just show you a very quick strategy you can use to help yourself when you encounter words that are challenging to sound out for you. It's called cover and slide. So basically, what you're going to do if you come to a word that's challenging for you to solve what it says, you leave the first part open and cover up the rest of the word with your finger or your hand. And then as you sound out the first parts of the word, you slide towards the end of the word to reveal more of the letters as you go. You may have heard strategies similar to this before, like chunking or segmenting. This is just more of a physical strategy to actually block out pieces of the word so that you can concentrate on sounding out the parts of the word that you can see that's not covered up by your fingers. So the example that's given here is plastic. So if you look, the hand is covering the second part of the word after the familiar letter combination PL. So you can see in the first picture, pull. And then the hand slides towards the end of the word, and you see the next three letters, ast. So we put them together, plast, and then slide your finger or hand off the end of the word, plastic, plastic. So this strategy is called cover and slide for words that are longer or unfamiliar to you. It's just another strategy to put into your tool belt to help you decode those challenging words for you. For your reading assignment today, we got to read. Readers read, and you are going to read. You can read a physical book that you have at your house. You can access our virtual library options by going to the Access 360 icon or the Epic icon, or click on me in the beanbag to access our Boundaries virtual library. Enjoy your reading, readers, and I hope you enjoy this cover and slide strategy when you encounter new and challenging words.